Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Subaru Outback, stock reference number 5247. The shape runs from the 12th month 2017, runs through to the 12th month 2020. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 4 dents, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has an automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.